The Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel is used to group commands that are being used frequently. For example, if you commonly save and you don't want to go to the File menu all the time and click on Save, you can put Save in a Quick Access Toolbar. If you commonly have to copy and paste, you can add Copy and Paste in the Quick Access Toolbar. This is my Quick Access Toolbar, which is displayed above the ribbon. You can decide to display it above the ribbon or below the ribbon. If you prefer it below the ribbon, just click on the drop-down arrow and click Show Below the Ribbon. If you notice it has come down below the ribbon, I prefer it above the ribbon, so I will send it back above the ribbon. In my Quick Access Toolbar, I have the Save, Undo, Redo, and other commands. These are commands that I commonly use when working. If you wish to add commands in the Quick Access Toolbar, you click the drop-down arrow to find the command you want to add. By clicking the drop-down arrow, we can see New, Open, Email, and other commands. The ones that have been checked are the ones that have been added to the Quick Access Toolbar already. If I check any, it will be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If you don't find the command you want to add, you can click on More Commands, where you will find a good number of other commands that can be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. For example, if I want the font in my Quick Access Toolbar, I will select Font and I click on Add. Then click OK below the menu. You will notice that the font has been added to the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is simply a feature introduced in Microsoft products to facilitate the search for common commands.